Hey guys, it's Scott, and today I'm excited to share with you this fantastic table that I received from the manufacturer. Now, they did send this to me for my honest review, but I got to say, I've been falling in love with it. I really like it. It's a great size, it's lightweight, and let's get into the details of it. So, this table is truly portable, guys. It weighs only 10 pounds, it measures 30 inches in length and 19 and a half in depth. And it is adjustable as well. So on the back here, you have these notches adjustable from 22, 25, and 28 inches in height. Super easy to install the legs. You just simply put them in these little grooves here, like so, and give it a quick pop, and you're done. Now, I love it too because it's UV resistant, water resistant. So this is great to take camping, to the beach. So you can use it indoors and outdoors as well. I love it. And makes a great side table when you're chilling in your couch. And it's the perfect complement to my garage when I'm working on the car. I can keep my tools right by here, nice and handy. And the perfect height for my workstation too. So if you have a use for a small table like this, I think you're going to really enjoy it as much as I have. So I'm going to recommend this one and give it 2 thumbs up.